Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Kyocera printer to your mobile device with Wi-Fi. First, ensure your Kyocera printer is powered on and connected to the same wireless network as your mobile device. Next, download and install the Kyocera mobile print application from your device's App Store. Finally, verify your mobile device's Wi-Fi is enabled and connected to the correct network. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process. Once the application is installed, open the Kyocera mobile print app on your mobile device. You will then tap the Select Printer or Printer Search option, usually found on the main screen. This action prompts the application to scan for all available Kyocera printers within your current Wi-Fi network. Please allow a few moments for the app to complete its search and populate the list of devices. After the scan is complete, a list of discovered printers will appear. From this list, carefully select your specific Kyocera model to initiate the connection. You might need to confirm the connection within the application, and some models may require a brief, one-time pairing process. Once confirmed, your mobile device will be successfully connected to your Kyocera printer via Wi-Fi, ready for printing. With your printer now connected, you can easily print documents. Navigate to the document or image you wish to print directly within the Kyocera mobile print app. Before printing, you can adjust various settings, such as the number of copies, paper size, and whether you want color or black and white output. Finally, tap the print button to send your document to the Kyocera printer for immediate printing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.